let's start with the equity market. The markets have definitely still been going strong. Just read on the LPL Research blog yesterday before it ended down yesterday. We were on quite a run, 7 straight days, I think. We were up, and we were on a tear. And your team has firmly been behind investing in equities for the first half of the year. That's paid off with big returns in the market. Let's talk about where we go from here. How are you feeling as we move into the second half of 2021?
Yeah, Scott, I mean, clearly this year with the S&P up ballpark 15%, your average bond is about flat, maybe down. It's been a really good year, obviously, for stocks over bonds. And as we head into the second half of this year, we don't anticipate another 15% out of stocks. But we really do think stocks probably will continue to outperform bonds the second half of this year. We get into all the stuff that's happening, right? The reopening, amazing earnings growth. I know some of the recent economic data has been a little bit on the weak side, but the truth is we're probably going to have the best year of economic growth in our country since 1984, and there's a chance we get a little bit better. It'll be the best since the early 50s. So there's a lot of things out there, and I know we're going to talk about some worries here in a minute, because believe me, there are some worries. But just big picture, one more thing, and then we can go on. It's a good start to the year. I just said that, right? So we took a look last week at what happens when the S&P is up at least 12.5% at the midway point of the year, which is obviously a really, really good start to the year. Last 6 times that happened, the rest of the year was higher. You go back like 87. That's a scary year to hear, but 87 was the last time we had a year start off really strongly, and the second half of the year was actually down. Now, here's the other kicker. The median return the rest of the year, when you're already up at least 12.5%, is like 10% median return. The average year is up like 5%. So what I'm getting at, a good start to a year historically says, listen, there's probably continued gains the second half of this year, and that's the camp that we are in and remain in.
Want more content like this delivered to your inbox weekly? Visit fastest4.com to learn more.